Welcome back, friends. Well, it looks like our scientist Rick is getting us ready for a unicorn birthday party, but very far from that. We get to blow something up today. Is that right?
We do, because so you can think about explosions, combustion. It's really a rapid chemical reaction that produces heat and light. Most people think, like you can have dynamite, which is a solid, but even a liquid, like I have some fuel right here, and if we light it, you can see the flame on it there, but not a big explosion, but it is a chemical reaction. But if we can add a little oxygen to it, spread it out a little bit. Now this is something you've probably seen at home on your grill.
Yeah.
You push that button. This is an effect called a piezoelectric. What that means, fancy term for, you can add pressure and a spark, electricity will come out of it.
Okay.
And so I don't know if you see that little bitty thing right there, little bitty spark. And so you can have some fun by putting some fuel in a container.
Are you going to blow this up here?
Well, I hope so. Okay. Shake it up, get it really nice and mixed, and let's see, get that kind of tight, and let's see what this works. Sometimes it does. Let's see what happens. Ready?
Okay.
So what happened there is I don't have the mixture just right.
Okay. What did you put in there, Rick?
Ethyl alcohol. The same stuff that race car drivers use.
Oh, in the cars there?
In cars. It's ethyl alcohol. And let's see, maybe this will work. Let's see, here we go. Well,
it's like, I'm not having it today,
too
Rick.
Too much juice. We'll try one more time.
Okay.
And we'll come back. It takes a while for that to...
Yeah. Do you just dream up doing this kind of stuff, or what goes on? Is this what Rick does before he goes to bed?
You guys asked about what my favorite toys were?
Yeah.
Did you practice?
I can imagine you with
Oh, God. That was a dare. So we move on to something, that same effect. This one, though, is, well... Stupid fun. With a
tennis ball cannon?
This is a tennis ball cannon. Yeah. And so this one will make a loud noise. And what you have is that same piezo effect in here. But our fuel is not NASA fuel. And this ought to be cautionary for people. This is some hairspray.
Oh, it's maximum hold hairspray, everybody.
I'm just going to give like 2 seconds. And this is a...
Which way are you going to fire it at then?
Who do you want me to shoot at? He's been nice to me. So... we ought to put a tennis ball in. This should be loud, so cover your ears.
Okay.
And let's see if this one works. I'll aim for that door. Here we go. Watch out. Here we go.
Scaring our guests over there.
Oh, this is 2 for 2.
Oh, Rick.
Well, you know what? We need to add more fuel.
Yeah, I was going to say, because I'd probably overdo it if it were me. I'd throw the whole can of hairspray in there.
Well, I was trying to be a little...
frugal?
Safety.
Oh, safe.
All right, let's try it one more time. Here we go.
Don't be safe.
No, here we go. Ready?
Oh, my goodness. Wow. He was not joking, was he? Everybody's safe over there. The cabbage kind of went down. That was great.
Somebody's going to own the station after that one.
We'll have one less person here. So this is kind of interesting. This is a gas, and when you let go, it goes up. So what do you think this gas is?
Helium.
Helium. Let's see what happens when you light helium.
It's going to blow up too?
I don't know. We'll see. Let's find out. No, kind of a pop.
Even though I know it's coming, it still scares me.
Now, this is just regular air. What do you think's going to happen?
Here goes our lights.
Pop.
But this one up here is the most common element in the universe, hydrogen. And hydrogen, we probably should move that away from that nice monitor. Hydrogen is one of the lightest elements, and you should see a characteristic color and a ball of flame. This is what the Hindenburg...
You've got a candle on the end of your sword.
Is this why we have the lights out to see this?
This one and the next one is pretty cool. So here we go, the Hindenburg. Why you should not ride in the Hindenburg because of things like this. Up.
Gotta do it again.
Wow.
I'm so sorry for screaming.
No, all right, I'm going to go sit down over here.
Last one.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
So I put some fuel in here, and this fuel, actually, you have in your medicine cabinet, but we'll just leave it at that.
Okay.
And I don't want the liquid, I want the gas. And so this is the whoosh bottle. And so it's the gas in here. I've been trying to increase the surface ratio to the gas and the fuel.
Sure, absolutely.
And here we go. This one.
Should I step back or?
You want to light this one? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'll be thrilled to do it.
So you got to kind of put it in there. And
so put it in here?
Yeah, kind of tip it down.
Is it going to blow up?
And let's do 2 things. It's going to make a cool sound and a beautiful combustion of gas. It's called the whoosh bottle.
The whoosh bottle.
Here we go.
You stick it down in the
Yeah,
whoosh
let's see what
bottle.
happens. You'll be screaming.
All the way down in there.
Well, let's see. Here we go.
Okay.
Talk to me.
We trust our scientist, everybody. He always
Wow.
keeps us safe, but that was amazing.
Now, that was a whoosh bottle, and next time you see an airplane flying through the sky, that white...
Fingers are gone here.
Wow. They'll fall off in 2 days.
Okay, I don't know if our friends at home could see Alice's face, but I don't know that I've ever seen Alice scared. And
Yeah,
I think that he got you on that one.
That startled me there, but
Oh, man.
I like things like
It's
this.
the whoosh bottle, and what I just dumped out of it was water. The byproduct of combustion is water. When you see a jet flying through the air, those contrails from the fuel burning is water.
Water, okay.
Wow. Okay. My heart's got to come down a little bit. The whole time I'm wondering what it's like to live with you, sir. Like if these kind of things regularly go on in your
This
house.
stuff happens outside. Outside.
This is one of your better ones. I
man.
don't know.
Yeah, got your attention on that one.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rick. All right, George. On a 0 to 10 scale, what are you giving?
I'm giving that a 10.
I love it. Thank you, Rick. We need to follow this guy.